I salute you all in the name of the Almighty God. Amjambo. Your Excellency, the Governor, Paul Simbarati, the Speaker of the County Assembly, Honorable Dr. Philip Machuki Yanumba, Honorable members of the County Assembly, distinguished Honorable members of the Judiciary, the learned judges, County Secretary, County Executive Committee members, Chief Officers, members of the County Public Service Board, directors of departments and the county officials, and all protocols observed. I wish to say, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great humility, a sense of responsibility, and a determination to selflessly serve that I accept appointment as the Deputy Governor, Kisii County Government. Your Excellency, let me begin by thanking the Almighty God for making this day possible. I give God all the glory for allowing me to attain this milestone. Your Excellency, I further thank you for finding me suitable to be your principal assistant and a confidant. As a gesture of this confidence you have shown in me, Your Excellency, I promise and undertake to be your loyal lieutenant. Your Excellency, I thank my family, with me, Margaret, and our children who have been great pillars in my steadfast life up to this point in time. From the humble beginnings, Your Excellency, at Masongo, Punyamasito village, all through the national government, and now to be your loyal deputy. This is a testament that any child born of a woman can become anything with hard work, integrity, and resilience. Your Excellency, I reiterate my commitment, dedication, and goodwill to deliver on your manifesto and vision for a great Kisii County. Your Excellency, I particularly resonate very well with your stance on zero tolerance to corruption and the prudent use of public resources. This is the promise of freedom that Gusii are belonging for. Your Excellency, my taking oath of office effectively ends my short stint and exciting time as chairperson, Kisii County Public Service Board. In this short time, we have achieved much under your stewardship. We can certainly ride on this goodwill to deliver more for our people. To those who are naysayers, Your Excellency, let them take notice that your government shall deliver, and precisely so. As Martin Luther King once said, darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can. Therefore, let us respect and do that which is right. As I conclude, Your Excellency, I solicit the support, cooperation, and understanding of all. I am persuaded that as a team, Your Excellency, we will get the job done under your leadership. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I thank you immensely for finding time to grace this occasion despite your busy schedules. Your Excellency, I pledge to be your car, guide, C standing for careful, A for being available, and R for being reliable. God bless the great people of Kisii. Simba, Simba, Simba.